We've heard you've got some questions about our products, so I'm here to help. My name's Adele, and I'm going to walk you through your question step by step. You might have noticed that two pieces of the same turf will sometimes look like they're different colors. The way the light hits the turf at different angles can make it seem like the turf is a different shade, even though it's the same product. This is caused by the direction that the artificial grass fibers run. This is called the pile direction. The pile direction becomes more obvious if you place two grass rolls or tiles side by side and orient them in different directions, like this. To ensure your artificial grass looks consistent, you'll want to install every section with the pile direction pointing the same way. That wraps up this video. Have more questions? Chat with an expert at flooringinc.com. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.